So I'd like us to do a little practice now, but it's not a solo practice. And it's about a 5 or so minute practice. And what I want you to do is scoot yourself around so that you can look at somebody sitting near you. It has to be done in pairs. You don't have to know the person, maybe even better if you don't, but shh, stay quiet about it, please. And it's a little bit daunting. It needs... Shh. Okay, shh. It's a little bit daunting, so it needs your courage, but I'm looking out here and saying, these people have sufficient courage to do this. Plus, which we're in California, what else do you do here, right? All right, so quiet. And first, just take a few deep breaths and quiet yourself. Anybody not have a person to be as a partner, raise your hand and stand up. And look for, stand up, put your hand up. It's only one. Anybody else? Okay, there's somebody here, there's somebody in the back. You join another couple then. We'll do a couple of threes. I think this will work. All right, so take a few deep breaths and just look at this person kindly. And if you feel the urge to laugh or look away, you can note the shyness or the embarrassment with real patience and gentleness, and come back when you can to see your partner's eyes. And as you look behind these eyes, you see a beautiful spirit, consciousness that was born into this being, the child of the spirit. Amazing. And when you look deeply, you can see this person is just like me, incarnated in a human body, going through the mysterious journey of life. And this person was once a little child, a little vulnerable child, just like me. And this person has had happy times in their life, just like me. And this person has loved someone, just like me. And this person is creative, dynamic, just like me. And this person has had their heart broken, just like me. And this person has their measure of sorrows, like all human beings, just like me. This person has been hurt and confused and disappointed in life, just like me. And this person has done some things they regret, just like me. And this person has lived beautiful moments, just like me. And this person wishes to be safe and well and loved, just like me. Behind these eyes, when you look deeply, is the child of the Spirit, a timeless consciousness, just like me. I wish you strength and support and well-being in your life, because I know you want to be well and happy, just like me. And feel the blessing of seeing another being deeply, celebrating the mystery of another human life, and being seen. I celebrate the mystery of your human incarnation, of your human life. And I know you want to be well and happy, just like me. You can thank your partner in just any simple way. If only we could see each other that way, says Thomas Merton. If only we could see the secret beauty behind the eyes of those around us, the world would be transformed.